Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Japan. This is another one of these Zenpop boxes. You can go over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Generally, when I get one of these, there's 7 varieties inside, and I've never tried any of them. So, going with that, let's see what's inside and see if I've ever had them before. Oh, nice. When you get one of these boxes, you're going to notice this little card. And this card has a QR code and a link. And those will take you to a website which will have all the information on how to prepare all the varieties that are in this box and what exactly they are. If you can read Japanese, you'll be fine. But if you can't, this is going to help you a lot. So don't you lose it. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to go do that and tell you a little about everything in the box this month. First off, from Toyo Suizan, aka Marashan, we have Ramen Mai Kagura Kanshu Truffle Kaoru Tori Paitan. Yeah, that's a tough one to say, and this is a whole special seafood set this month, and if you'll notice, there is a that's like the biggest sachet I've ever seen on the top of a cup before, so this should be interesting. And next up, from a brand I know literally nothing about, this is from Oguro Shokunin. This is their Akagi Niboshi Chuka Soba. Yeah, it looks like it's a seafood variety, and yeah, I'll give it a try. This looks really neat. Next up, from Toyo Suizan, also known as Marashan, we have Ore no Shio Stamina Niniku Shio Yaki Soba. I'm guessing the idea, I see this more often, is that you've got garlic, and I believe that's the niniku, but the stamina sauce is a thing, and I don't know what I don't know, maybe it's caffeinated. I really don't have any idea what the stamina is from. But, yeah, fascinating. And from Ace Cook, we have this Maruma Miso Ramen. And yeah, this is generally a pretty popular range. The varieties are pretty good. The noodles are all right. So yeah, looking forward to this one. Next up, from Myojo, we have Shigoku no Ippai Koku Kuro Tankatsu Ramen. Yeah, I've definitely had a few out of this range too, and they're quite good. I don't know, this doesn't really follow with the whole seafood thing, but at least as far as I can tell. But it does have a sachet on top of the cup, so you have your special liquid to make it more oily and tasty broth. And check it out, we've got a Pokemon noodle, ladies and gentlemen, from Sapporo Ichiban. This is a seafood flavor Pokemon noodle. Yeah, you know, they're all right. They're small, they're product tie-in, cutesy Pikachu, and yeah, not my favorite, but they're kind of neat. And finally, from Ace Cook, we have Ganso Kuri Tantan Men Masatora. So this is a pretty big cup. Tantan Men, so the broth is going to be thicker, and it's got a large animal on it, so that kind of makes it more, you know, oomphy, right? All right, so in the June Zenpop box, you get Maikagura, Tankatsu, Miso, Stamina, noodles made from Pokemon, Kuri, Chuka Soba, and your info card. So very cool. I think maybe I've tried one of these varieties, but I might be wrong about that actually. So yeah, if you want to check out one of these boxes, head on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.